Well, I hope everyone's okay. So this is another one. We'll just do a quick one. This is just using dirty paint up. That's all I'm doing. Just doing a sketch. I'll just sort things out afterwards. Quick one this morning. Trouble with the camera again. I thought very poor turned out. So oh, I should have changed the water, shouldn't I? I'm just scrubbing on a bit here. Just want to get this brush worn out a bit. They actually they feel better to use when they're worn for you know, for tops of your trees and that. They're really nice. Tops of trees when they get worn, you know. Now this is just water into the brush, which has still got that blue on it. You're just thinking what's coming next when you're doing this. Some of the paints I'm experimenting with. Actually, do you know I'm putting a bit of white in this? Just a bit of white. Just seeing what colour I can come up with. Just a little bit of white. Sometimes you can't get that lightness, can you? Just until at the back. Okay, so now this is a nice soft brush. It's not that one, professional. Not that one. That one is a very old one. Very old one. Now, which one is it? Well, I don't know. Oh, this one is the designer. You know, the designer brush with the. It's not. They don't have a point on these designer. These were out a while ago. Kalinsky Sable, Winsor Newton. They're a purple colour, size 8. 220 designers. Kalinsky Sable. This is a. They don't make these now, do they? Okay, so we'll bring in some green. We'll have a richish, nice rich green, mixed with some yellow. I'll tell you what, we'll have to put some raw sienna in because we don't want it too rich. And a little bit of what colour is that there? A little bit of blue. I think that'll not be enough. I'll have to mix plenty of water in to get the colour. That's a bit of a cad yellow, yeah, a bit of raw sienna or yellow ochre, whichever you like, on a bit of indigo. Put some indigo in it, I think that's indigo. Or Windsor, or Windsor. Now, let's have a look first of all at what strength it is. So if we put this one here to that line there, that 3 line, see it there, that 3 line. Right, that's that. Let me just get this water off my hand. I like an odd tree with, you know, floating pieces hanging over one side. Not like a round tree. So that I'll want a little bit more there. Right, now here I'll put just a little one on a little oddball, a little bit smaller here. Top heavy, you can get them like that, top heavy trees, can't you? This is what people don't realise when they're doing them as a ball, you know. I like a bit of darking. Now with this 3 line we've left here, haven't we, already? Oh my God, blimey. I'll have to do something with that. Thanks for looking in. I hope it's recording. Well, it's in focus. Bye bye for now. Have a nice day. And you can join Patreon if you like. Really, it's very cheap, isn't it? I don't know if anybody would think it would do, because it's, you can pay £1 for a paper. So 2 pieces of paper for a month in Patreon. I think it's absurd. Really, really. A tube of a professional paint is £16 about. So it wouldn't give you one squeeze of paint, would it? Patreon. I think it's £3 with tax takes it off. But if I get £2, it's not one squeeze of paint, is it? When you look at it. To learn how to paint properly. Use colours. Design. Think about it. What's a newspaper? £1.